What is elitism? In political parlance, elitism refers to a situation where power is concentrated in the hands of a select group of people. These select group of people, normally called the elite group, are believed to have the necessary special skills, knowledge, high intellect, notability, intrinsic quality, and experience. Hence, they are believed to be the best people to govern, especially the state. Politically speaking, therefore, elitism endorses the idea that only a few people can be considered as movers of social change rather than the majority of the people. This explains why elitism normally favored meritocracy, technocracy, and plutocracy instead of egalitarianism and populism. In fact, as we can observe especially in developing countries, the elites simply viewed the people as voters who can elect them into power. It is important to note that there is a meritocratic element in the concept of elitism. This is because the exclusiveness of an elite group, for instance in a nominally classless country such as the United States, with a republican form of government and democratic social institutions, is not based merely on birth or on wealth. It is, in principle, based as well on individual merit and on achievement such as the person's intelligence and skill, courage and energy, and of particular relevance in politics, expertise, and experience. Like wine, diplomats and other statesmen are often thought to get better as they grow older, achieving the status of wise men. It is also important to note that this elite group, which C. Wright Mills calls the power elite, that occupies the dominant positions in government, military, and business, effectively dictate all aspects of government, the media, business, and even education by virtue of their control over the economic resources of the major business and financial organizations in the country. In fact, their power is seen as based most fundamentally on their personal economic resources and especially on their positions within the top management of the big corporations, and does not really depend upon their ability to garner mass support through efforts to represent the interests of broader social groups. Lastly, it must be noted that elitism is not only found in government, education, business, and politics. Elitism is also very much alive in the arts, such as music, painting, and architecture. For example, a musical elitist values one's own musical tastes as the standard by which all music should be made, or the standard that all others should use to choose what music they listen to.